Why I don't like batt insulation in a crawl space home. Hey, it's Craig with Anchor Foundation Repair, and I am here again in an old home in College Station, Texas, inspecting it, looking for problems, looking for things that we can fix to make this better. Actually, not very old for a crawl space home. It built in the mid-'80s, as reported by the homeowner. And when I crawl in here, I see insulation hanging down. I'm not a fan of it. Number one, not a fan because it makes my job more difficult. When I see this, it makes it hard to make an assessment of this crawl space when batt insulation is hanging down. Number two, when my guys come to do the work, that makes it more difficult to see all the problems, fix all the problems. And laying around this insulation that's laying on the ground just makes for an itchy day. Number three, for you as the homeowner, it makes it difficult to keep an eye on things that could be showing up around the home, and you want to monitor and prevent problems from getting worse. And really in our area, again, Central Texas, might be different in your area. Crawl space home like this is open. You can see lattice on that side. Crawl space opening is over there with more lattice on that side. It gets moist, it gets damp. There's critters, there's things in here that like insulation. So this insulation ends up hanging down, falling onto the floor. It's not providing any insulative value. Critters get a hold of it because they like to find a nice warm place to stay dry during the winter, and they chew it up, make a mess of it, and even more falls down. So that's the number one reason why it's not really good for you as the homeowner. So here I'm on the same home, around the toilet. Wax rings on old toilets with wooden floors often have problems, and it could have been prevented. This could have been identified before. It wouldn't have rotted out that subfloor, and it wouldn't need a full removal and replacement. Coming to the other side of the bathroom over here, and same has been done around this shower drain. You can see how deteriorated that subfloor looks right here. There is some wood rot showing up right through here. This all could have been prevented. Now, good news for them is they bought this home, they decided to remodel it. Bad news for them is they're gonna have to incorporate a little bit of extra TLC as they remodel this bathroom to replace the subfloor. So those are the three number one reasons why I'm not a fan of crawl space insulation.